Who's this? Not for amusement, I'm never clueless. I do this, but never foolish. You doodle when that's what stool is. My crew is cool as the Fonzie.
We had a few parts come in, so we're gonna start working on that. We're gonna remove this carburetor here and that oil injection system. So we will start with that. So this is the little thing that it came with, and it basically just goes right in there in place of all of that other stuff. So I put a little oil around the O-ring. Hopefully it just slides right in there. There you go. That's it. We made a lot of progress. I think last time we were showing that block off plate, got the carb completely taken apart, went through it. It wasn't too gunked up. So we did all of that. The frame is all good. I put the new throttle cable in, so now there's just a one throttle cable. That all looks good. And now we're just gonna do the exhaust. And then we gotta mix the gas, and it's pretty much gonna be ready. I ordered some exhaust heat wrap for this. This doesn't have a heat shield, and I ordered one, and it didn't fit. So I ordered some heat shield. I'm just gonna wrap it with that. But yep, she's looking mint. Minty, bro, it's looking minty.
And we also put the kickstand on.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Put the kickstand on.
And about that, we're gonna get a new kind of motor and kickstart and new frames, and I'll probably be here
So
tomorrow. And
yeah, the kickstand was actually kind of a pain because you have to get this pin through, and there's this spring that's got a ton of tension on it. So yeah, I should have filmed it. We had like 3 of us. We had mom helping us to put that back together, but yeah, it's coming along. Pretty soon it's gonna be ripping. All right, next is the transfer case fluid. So we're just gonna break this loose.
oh, that's leaking. Literally, that it is
Already leaking. There's not much left in there.
But it is leaking so badly.
Now we're just gonna put this
So bad.
right back in,
Yeah.
and then we are gonna fill it up with, if you hear, look at this. So it tells you on the side, it needs 300 cc's of fluid.
300.
So that is what we're gonna do. That's okay. I turned the gas off so that it would kind of run out of gas in the carb. Let's go!
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down, my ladies. Show.
All right, just got up to the cabin and we got the first test drive of the Pee-wee. Dak already started it and he's ripping. Usually hauls around this corner. This thing rips. So I didn't even have to rejet the carb like I thought I was gonna have to. I just ended up cleaning it out really good, and it runs great. So he loves it. That's all that matters. I can't pull him off of it, so he's gonna probably run it until we run out of gas. There's a quick trip up here during the middle of the week, and then we got to go back because mom and dad have to work. So